box from Universal Yums and see which part of the world we're tasting today. We're tasting
India!
try this one first. Happy Meaty Ring.
It's a puppy with snack with tamarind.
Mini ring. Very addictive. It's not too salty. Oh, the Pritos ring in the Philippines. I give this 9 out of 10.
10.
These mini samosas. They're really heavy. You can really smell the samosa flavor. Mini packets of samosas inside. You can see the big chunks of spices.
This version has a mung bean feeling. Like my favorite mimosa.
Mimosa is samosa.
10! I like apple!
So they put mung bean inside, but it actually tastes like the actual samosa. There's a little bit of heat. The umami flavor is there. 10 out of 10. Alu Seb.
This is a potato, chickpea, flour sticks.
It smells like curry masala. With these tiny pieces, a lot of flavor and spices. It tastes very umami. I will give this 10 out of 10.
You're eating a mini ramen. 10 for me.
Spiced party mix sa Garaya in the Philippines. Like corn nuts too. Almost like the adobo style. A lot of flavor. Spiciness. You can taste the sourness. Addicting. 9 out of 10.
Green pea. Lots of spices. 10.
Chak boom, tomato. It looks like the texture of hot Cheetos. It smells like tomatoey. Cheetos. Ketchup flavor. 10 out of 10.
Tomato Cheetos. 10.
We tried this before. Like mini Doritos nacho chips. Literally, it's tikka masala flavor. 10 out of 10.
I need rice dough. 10.
Krusty's Classic Cheese Balls. Tiny balls. Classic Cheese Ball. 10.
Your father. 10.
This one we definitely tried before. This is the Swan Pop D. But this one is the orange flavor. Actually an Indian cotton candy. How delicate. Flossy. Orangey. Orange creamsicle. And flaky. Pistachio inside. It's just like melts in your mouth. I like this better than cotton candy. 10 out of 10.
Complexity of the flavor is jingling in my mouth. 10.
High spice shortbread. When you go to Asia, there's no such thing as pumpkin. It's always chai. Smells like fall. A cup of tea. It's only missing. Gingerbread snap. 10.
It reminds me of an Indian summer that falls in the clouds. 10 for me.
Bourbon Cappuccino Cream Biscuits. Look at that. Your favorite Hansel from the Philippines. Very crunchy. Then the center cream is very cappuccino. 10 out of 10.
Coffee in a cookie. 10.
Thumbs up. The last time that we tasted this one, we ordered one case because it's really good. Refreshing! This is literally like a Coca-Cola. A little bit more flat, less sweet.
Diabetes. 10. Thank you, India. Your snacks never disappoint. 10.
Make sure to go to universalyums.com to start your own snacks adventure.